And the main recommendation is actually the non-reactivity. That does not mean that you are completely cold, ignorant, aloof, arrogant. No, this yogic form of detachment is a very compassionate, engaged, embodied form of awareness which feels and sees things clearly but doesn't get overwhelmed and carried away. Because while embracing the problem and the issue of the situation in a heartfelt, compassionate way of loving kindness, still there is a very solid, clear, detached, neutral observer which can witness the charge of that feeling, emotion, phenomenon and does not get carried away. So that requires practice, yes. But once you have the practice under your belt, step by step, you will experience the benefits, the liberty of not being a victim of our emotions anymore. So that is the invitation, and I encourage you to take that serious. And I invite you to explore the profound potential to go beyond the common narrative of taking our emotions all too personal, because this is usually the problem. We take things personal, and then it's a whole drama, and then mutual drama and the emotional charges in the communication and relation, they just amplify each other, and frequently we tend to live in emotional war zone of various conflicts happening at the same time with different people, and it can be quite heavy. So there's a lot at stake, and I strongly encourage you to take responsibility for your state of consciousness. And I'm curious how the benefits in your journey will unfold. So please be in touch. In our yogic global community, we have thousands of people connecting in our online yoga teacher trainings, sharing in this interactive family and exploring these obstacles and solutions to the problems together. So I invite you to dive deeper. At least subscribe to our YouTube channel to check out some of the eye-opening and possibly life-changing insights that we are sharing here. I'm sending you lots of life-loving wishes from the Paradise Island, Bali, and I see you very soon.